Are you a researcher working with linguistic data, whether it's text collections or voice recordings? Natural language processing at LiRI helps you turn language into insight. Working with language data can be complex and time-consuming. We make it easier. With tools like keyword extraction, topic modeling, and document classification, you can focus on your research, not the repetitive tasks. Want to uncover key themes or hidden biases? Our conceptual word maps help you visualize associations at first glance. We also enrich large corpora with named entities for efficient information extraction, even in multilingual and historical documents. Need more advanced solutions? We fine-tune large language models, build retrieval-augmented systems, and develop custom tools that automate tedious workflows. And we don't just deliver results, we help you grow. With workshops and one-on-one coaching, we support you in building your own NLP pipelines and applying machine learning techniques effectively. Curious but want to get to know us first? No problem. Your first consultation is free. Just send us an email with your project details and we'll be in touch soon.